The truth about weight loss. Exercise is not the answer, it's only one brick of many to form a complete program. Healthy eating is the key ingredient to weight loss, fat loss, now and forever. How many times have you heard that? So where do we start? You need to find out what you like to do as a form of exercise. Even being active with home duties is fine. But for heart health it's important to do at least 30 minutes of continuous activity, example, walking, etc., for as many times a week as you can. Even once a week will help. It has to fit into your daily life. All you need to do is keep in mind the more you do it will have to match the calories you consume in a day. Example, when I work out I can consume more calories to keep up my energy for day-to-day things. If I don't work out I consume lesser calories, same goes for work depending on what you do for work. To be continued, part 2 coming soon.